I just wanted to make it very easy and simple. Whatever sir is teaching us in the class, I just want to do a refresher. Like Rahu, every one of us know that Rahu is sitting on the fourth pada of Dhanishta Nakshatra, and he is in the Navansh, which is eighth Navansh. This is 8. So 8th Navansh and 4th pada of Dhanishta Nakshatra. Sitting on Dhanishta 4th pada, he will be always hitting the first pada of the next nakshatra and the first pada of the opposite nakshatra and the first pada of the extreme end of the nakshatra, because this is the extreme end of this pack and this is the extreme end of the other pack. So whenever a planet sits in the fourth pada, he will be always giving Veda on the first pada of the opposite sides and the flanks. So Rahu sitting on the fourth pada is giving Veda on the first pada of this flank, and Rahu sitting on third will give Veda on the second, and Rahu sitting on second will give Veda on the third, and Rahu sitting on one will give the Veda on the fourth. This is true not only for Rahu, but any planet sitting in the fourth pada will obviously give its Veda on the first pada. Now Rahu in Dhanishta is explained with its hit on Ravana. If Rahu is here, then he will be hitting this nakshatra. If Rahu is here, he will be hitting this nakshatra. If Rahu is here, he will be hitting this nakshatra, and the pattern will be for occupying the fourth pada will be hitting the first pada here, occupying third pada here will be hitting the second pada here, occupying the second will hit the third, and first will hit the fourth pada from here. If it is first, it will come on to the fourth pada. This is the story, and the same applies to this part. Now there are seven stars here, 7 stars here, and 7 this side and the 7 this side. So all the 7 into 4 comes to 28th star, and actually the 28th one is the Abhijit. Now let me take a random planet here occupying this position, which is say Jupiter is here for example, and he is occupying 2 and 6 position, 2 and 6 position, and UB is Saturn star, Uttarabhadra. The next thing that should come to your mind is, since Jupiter is occupying 2, it will obviously, this is the central nakshatra, so again the central nakshatra will take the hit, and central nakshatra will receive the hit here and this side and this side, and central nakshatra on the opposite side, which is this one. But since this is 2, here it will be 3. As an example, I am just helping it out. So in case it is a retro, then the right Veda will operate. If it is not, the left Veda will operate, and the central Veda will also operate. And let me quickly explain with one more example. Now I have taken the first star, second, third and fourth I have explained, and now I will take the sixth one, leaving the sixth one. Okay, if I go for the sixth star, I am leaving this one and this one out, and so the shift will be here. And also I will count from this side, and it will be, I will be leaving the first one, and the hit will come here, and of course the straight one for Rahu, Ketu and Sun and Moon. And if it is, again the formula of 4 to 1, 3 to 2, 2 to 3 and 1 to 4 applied. If it is in the third pada, then it will be keeping on hitting the second here, and once the second is triggered, automatically 2 will be here, and here it is 2 10, and here it will be 2 6. This is how it is. All the rest of the Navansh is, the Navansh values will be fixed. Only these are the fire, earth, air and water, as we know. So this is how we can just simply memorize 1 will go to 1, 2 will go to 2, 3 will go to 3, 4 will go to 4, 5 will go to 5, 6 will go to 6, 7 will go to 7. But here again, if we go here, 1 will go to 1 and 2 will go to second one, third will go to third one, 4 will go to fourth one, 5 will go to fifth one, 6 will go to sixth, and 7 will go to seventh one. This is how the pattern totally unfolds. And of course, opposite Veda is always straight, so 1 will go to 1, 2 will go to 2, 3 will go to 3, 4 will go to 4, and so on and so forth. Now in the back of our mind, we should know that Jupiter is in the first pada of Aslesha. Here Jupiter is posted and Mercury is posted here, and Rahu is posted on Dhanishta fourth pada. These are all in the back of the mind. We have to establish these things. And Saturn is on Revati second pada. So the big planets must be deeply entrenched in the mind, and then we can also, for the small planets, we can go for these things. Moon is for 6 hours and Sun is for 3 days. These should also sit in the mind, and Rahu Ketu are for 2 months on one pada, on each pada of the planet, and Jupiter for 40 days. अब ascendant का नवांश अच्छा है, moon का नवांश is good, and what else? Jupiter नवांश is good. Now 8 is not good. It is obstacles and problems, and 1 is self-destruction. That is, the intellect and the mind is used not for progress but for backward integration. And now when Venus showing 5 is also not that good, and 6 is self-propagation and self-advancement, and 5 is चतुराई से बात करना. Anyhow Rahu is diplomacy, and again Rahu fifth नवांश लेकर बैठा है, and 11 is also not good. Only these two नवांशas which I have ticked here are really good. Now यहाँ से 12 लेकर बैठा है, so father से नहीं बनेगा. All these things sir has said, and father का नहीं सुनेगा this person. Now here Jupiter Navansh is good, and the speed of Jupiter is also the birth time. At the birth time, the speed of Jupiter is good, so Jupiter is giving extraordinarily good results to this chart. And now let us correlate this chart. Lagna is in the Chitta Nakshatra first pada, which is in the sign of Virgo. So Lagna falls in Virgo, and Lagnadhipati is Mercury. But now for Lagna we take Mars. How is the Navansh of Mars? To assess the strength of Lagna, Navansh of Mars is 8. And where is Mars sitting in the chart?